what it cost us. Old nigga hate cause I'm getting this money. I can tell that he mad cause he washed up. 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, bossed up. Private section, no, you can't talk to us. Shut the store down, can't shop with us. Germans got wings, niggas move like birds, but they still couldn't never come fly with us. Like Philly niggas can't come rock with us. Niggas hurt cause they see money stalking us. I'ma push my whole team through the end zone. They can try to stop us, but there ain't no topping us. And I peeped your bitch from across the room. No, she can't wait till I undress her. 7500 in the messenger. Can't move around with none less. 1700 got a rep for my gang in my city. I'm a certified stepper. I was gone, now I'm back and I'm better. Old bitch still standing while I left her. Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? I ain't gonna lie, but you got me in the mood right now. Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? Tell me, baby, what you wanna do right now? 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, bossed up, new swag, new bag, don't care what it cost us. Old nigga hate cause I'm getting this money. I can tell that he mad cause he washed up. 20 bands, 50 bands, 100 bands, bossed up. In that new spot, you ain't invited. Diamonds on shine, they blinded. No, I'm way too fly like a pilot. And your bitch want me, can't hide it. Now they all on my dick, wanna ride it. I can change up the scene on the climate. And I woke up this way, so I'ma die like this. My swag don't need the stylist. On a new planet, can't go down. Flexing on niggas, shit no fair. Hating on me, going nowhere. Hating on me, shit so well. Japanese denim my pants, oh yeah. Took me a trip out to France, oh yeah. Tell that bitch change all your plans, oh yeah. I can make that money dance, oh yeah. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Ain't gon' lie, but you got me in the mood right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now. Tell me baby what you wanna do right now.
What's good, Nexus? What's good, Nexus? I'm with my boy Dak.
Hey,
Dak,
it was good.
Dak, you're in
Good
a
morning.
short right now. You're in a short right now, right? Still.
Yeah.
And you're up. And then we got a bunch to go over today. Some stuff from yesterday, some questions from the Discord. Dak, do you want to start by kind of going over the trade you took?
From yesterday, we got 3 trades that we were supposed to recap yesterday. But that didn't happen, so we're gonna do that today.
Dak, do you want to start by kind of going over the trade you took?
If you wait, where are they? Okay, right here. Go to this in our DMs. We can start the recap from there.
All right, I'll pull it up.
Let me know when you got it.
Pulling it up right now. I'll pull it up before I put it on stream. Okay, it's up.
Okay. All 3 trades were pretty simple, but execution was more important. So first off, we got Nasdaq had a 30-second execution with 1 to 5 minute confluences. This was more of a finishing the day trade, so I don't really hold it because I will go over my limit on the trading combine. But basically, I just saw Nasdaq coming into the 5-minute order block zone here and starting to break down on the lower time frames. It then proceeded to create a 3-minute zone. After the 3-minute zone was created, I waited for the retest, and on the retest, I took the short, stop above the high, and ran it down to that 30-second order block down there that I have my TP set at. Pretty simple. Was a 3.7 risk to reward trade. Made us a couple of bucks. Now I want to go over the gold trade because the gold trade was the biggest one of the day. It was the starting trade of the day. And actually, Alex wanted me to go over this. So,
Is that the second one you sent?
what?
Yeah. I'm pulling it up.
Oh, okay.
There we go. All right, I got it up.
All right, so I want to admit that gold defeated me on Monday. I lost my 50K funded on to it because I got emotional. But on Tuesday, I managed to smash gold, and I'm done with gold forever now. So yeah, basically, I waited for gold to start breaking down after I saw that it swept the high here on this little range. We had a zone below for our TPs, so we had a target. And as soon as I saw gold make a 3-minute zone and retest it along with a fair value gap during New York Open, I was slightly convinced. So I took a stab at it. Down on the 30-second, I put my stop loss above a fair value gap to keep it tight, just so I don't get run over like Monday. And I ran it down. I tip it half of my position. At the low, I draw the line out. And then the rest of it, I took out after we went into the 30-minute block. Could I have held it more and milked it slightly more down to the 3-minute? Yeah, but it's gold. And if you actually show what happened after that, I think it's better that I took it where I took it. So yeah, we had the little 6.5 risk to reward on gold.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you pull up ES, that was my second largest of the day.
All right, ES is
Let me
pulled
know
up.
when you have
You're good.
ES. Yeah.
I'm pulling it up as
Yeah.
you go.
So ES is pretty self-explanatory. We had shared this in the Nexus since weekend open. We were waiting for the weekend gap to get filled. It actually induced traders to long on the first fill of the gap, which
Mm-hmm.
Nasdaq did not take. So we had confluence between the two that we would come lower again. And I was waiting for that. I had a 15-minute fair value gap and a 30-minute order block at the lows. I didn't catch the Gio actually caught the more near the bottom because he saw the 3-tap model 1 accumulation at the low. I didn't. I waited for the retest. I saw the 30-second order block get created, and I just entered aggressively on the order block with my stop beneath the low because basically my target for the lows was pretty much done for. I didn't think it would go much lower, and I didn't want it to go much lower. So
I mean, we'd been
stop
waiting
goes
for that
beneath the
zone
low.
for a long time. Like, we're pretty much talking about that zone all morning. So
Yeah.
whenever it went down there, we'd been waiting
We're
for
just
that.
looking for longs. And yeah, basically stop beneath the low on the 30-second after it was created and retested, and I ran it up to the equal highs, and that's about it. Pretty simple. Nice clean 7.8 risk to reward, almost 7.9 actually, but yeah.
And then we had the same thing on NQ pretty much.
And now I'm looking to I'm actually in a short, but I'm looking to run ES down lower around have we have a zone here. Where is it? Let me just put
I'm
it
gonna
up
kind
on
of
my.
go over the NQ one that I posted too,
Mhm.
real quick. It was the same thing as ES. We were waiting for the gap fill, and whenever it started to fill down here, wasn't really enough. We were still looking for the second one. We'd been waiting on this green box pretty much all morning. We'd been talking about it. I posted it in the Nexus for the futures, and we had a 1 minute order block inside of that green zone that I was looking at, and we literally tapped it exactly and never even looked back. We were in it for like literally a second, and it was just gone.
Yeah, that's why I'm on the 30 seconds so much as of late because so
Yeah,
quickly that if you're on the 1 to 2 minute, you're not gonna be able to catch them. But yeah, I'm looking to short ES down to the middle of the move up. There's a 30-minute order block there. My current confluence is obviously the zones that are being created up here at the high, but also NQ has not taken its October 14th high while ES has. So that is technically a bearish SMT, which just makes me think that we're just gonna turn around here for the minute. And also Asia and London have been grinding upwards since they both opened, so I would say that's a pretty good sign for that. Or New York to make a little move down if it's
yeah.
gonna continue high.
I mean, it all looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Do you want to go over God's question and talk about aggressive entries with order block creation?
Yeah, it's pretty simple actually. So one sec.
Like literally just a little bit ago was a good example.
Yeah. So can you pull up ES on the 1 minute?
Yep. It's up.
Okay, so literally live example is the 1 minute order blocks at the high that we were looking at earlier. Once those are created, you wait for a retest and you enter in on that. Obviously, you need to know where your stop goes and what your targets are depending on the time frame. But this is kind of how I've adjusted my entry model. I wait after an impulse move, I wait for an order block to be created and retested, and then I enter in on the retest. That's basically it. It's very simple.
Yeah. And it works really good actually.
Yeah,
It's
and
a
I've
great
also
way for
found that
aggressive entries.
if you have to wait for structure and anything over the 30 second to 1 minute, you're most of the times gonna miss the move
Yeah, you're getting left behind usually.
because futures moves quickly. It doesn't fuck around like crypto does. So I had to develop my strategy in a way that would allow me to enter in as the impulse move began.
Do you want to share your screen and show your trade a little bit right now? Because I'm sure you're printing right now.
Give me a second.
Because like literally live example of literally 5 minutes ago. That that's working out in real time.
Fuck.
Yesterday was a good day for trading. That was the setups are working. Things are going good. If we can get below this monthly VWAP, your short's going to be looking so good.
So my shit's right here. I didn't have the perfect entry on this, but it's doing fine for now. I decided to average in this trade because it's pre-New York and I'm more so chilling. Obviously, the plan was to exit if we close above this high, but we're seeing a live example of order blocks being created right here. So I'm just chilling in this. I might add one more if we get a tap on this 3-minute order block, but right now we just inverse the 3-minute fair value gap and retesting it, so just waiting.
Hell yeah. There's a couple fair value gaps above on the 1 minute that we could fill before moving down more.
Yeah, for sure. It's not looking too bad right now.
I'm trying to look at. Go look at NQ 1 minute and then look at ES 1 minute, Dak.
Yeah, NQ is looking worse, like way worse.
Yeah. It like took that range low and ES didn't. Not even close.
You could have shorted this on NQ probably. Yeah, this was an easy short on NQ.
Yeah.
Right here.
I'm gonna pull your screen back up.
And you could have exited like right now, literally for a 4.7 reward.
Yep.
That was easy.
I mean, that's kind of the name of your game too. Is get in, get out. You're in quick trades a lot of the times.
Not today, but yeah.
Dude, sometimes I'll be chilling, and then you'll text me like, "I just shorted," and then like a minute later, like, "Easy one rack." So, huh?
I get so hyper sometimes with my trades.
Bro, you start sending roller skating dunk gifts.
Okay, we're stuck below the 30-second VWAP here on ES. If we can flip this into resistance, I think we're gonna start moving down.
What's your
Oh, shit,
TP
well,
for this?
it's down here because I can't earn much more, but my target for this dump is this 30-minute order block down here. And the reason I'm not picking this 30-minute order block is because this is very close to the highs.
Yeah. And I mean,
this is better in my opinion because we cover more ground here and it would
for
make
some
more
reason,
sense.
it always likes the second zone more. It always just
Yeah.
skips right past the first zone.
I mean, it doesn't always skip past the first zone, but a lot of the times it might do something like this. Like it will move down slightly up for the fair value gap, like
Hmm.
range a little bit, and then start coming down aggressively and
Earl said
bounce
you.
like this.
Earl said you sound sexy.
Okay, we're
Um,
looking good. Looking good.
do you want to
We are
look at gold
cooking.
for God?
Gold. Oh, this is NQ. Wait. Oh. What is there to look on gold right now? I mean, the only thing that was on gold is this thing up here. Holy fuck. Yo. That was a 6 that was a 6+ risk to reward if you took that.
Yeah.
Even this, if you enter on this one, stop above the fair value gap. Again, 33 risk to reward. Yeah, gold just had a sweep. I don't expect it to go to this week again right now. Not really.
Yeah.
I think it's just gonna keep going sideways and grinding up, most likely. I don't have much else to tell you on gold. I'm not the gold expert. But yeah, that's what I think.
I'm gonna share my chart with it. I mean,
Maybe you can
we
help
already
out more.
mitigated this zone, so
If you use ace on gold, maybe you can help out more.
yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I mean, I'm gonna go high time frame. Fuck it. I mean, technically we got a red dot on ace, but it's an inwardly curved VWAP, so that could easily just flip right back around. It's kind of weird because whenever you just dumped, but you're also at like the highs, like close to the highs, you don't have a ton.
Yeah, you don't
go
want to take a
off of.
position. Okay, yes, just stopped the 50% of the inverse gap.
We post them in the Nexus, God. He said, guys, get a Discord and post these trade ideas.
Yes,
Like,
testing the 3-minute.
we do post
Order
these
block?
ideas, God. I mean, think about that, Dak. You buy the
What?
Nexus, you get Geo, you get Raven, you get Kenny, you get Alex, you get you, me. Who are the other advanced traders? You have Dom doing futures. I mean, Forex, yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens here. I don't dislike the reaction so far. I think we might. Oh shit, that's a fat wick. I think we might take the high here on ES. Either we reject from here or we take the high. Let's see.
You're moving right up to the SMA. I'm gonna put on my chart because I got the VWAPs and stuff. You still have
You
that
should
1 minute
probably,
order block.
probably look for a short on NQ soon.
Yeah. I've been waiting. Dude, ES is moving like way more than what NQ is right now.
Yeah, it's moving a bit today. I don't know what's up with it. Usually not moving this much
Yeah.
pre-New York. Alright, let me close my shit because it's frying my fucking laptop.
You're all good. I'm on my chart anyways.
I keep getting lag spikes on Topster. And I don't want to. I
You
don't want to
don't
get
want that
lag
right now.
spikes when I'm in a trade. You feel me? Especially not when I'm averaging in a trade. Because this shit, I gotta react quickly.
Yeah.
But it's looking good so far.
There's a 5
That
minute green
retest,
dot
that,
on
that, that
Ace.
retest was very nice. I like that because we're still in the 3-minute inverse gap and tested the 3-minute block here. You could have entered that. If you were looking on ES, that was a good entry there. Just tapped VWAP again on the 1 minute. I'm just gonna keep fucking around here, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down on the 30-second. My favorite new time frame.
How my music app turned off. That's nice. But Apple Music is so glitchy on PC. It just never wants to work right.
Yeah. On PC, it's so glitchy. Okay, 2-minute order block created coming out of the 3-minute fair value gap. Let's see where this goes. Honestly, if this dumps far down, this would be a very clean short because it's given so many entries right now.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't, we have our zone above. We can short there.
I'm
Or potentially
definitely looking for a nice long later today if we go down from here.
If we go down to the 30-minute order block there, I showed earlier, that
Yeah.
would be a nice long.
Yeah.
Either,
Really nice.
I mean, I wouldn't want it to go back down to the October 14th low. And that's purely because it bounced off of a 30-minute order block there. So technically shouldn't have a reason to go back down to that point.
Yeah.
That's why I'm targeting like the halfway point of this range. Unless I'm missing something, it shouldn't go back down there.
I'm kind of curious. Yeah.
Shit, we might flip the 5-minute into an order block now. Come on, yes.
Actually.
We have 3-minute demand failing here. Actually, it just failed, but yeah. Breakdown on 1 minute. Breakdown on 2 minutes. Almost.
I'm gonna mark out that first order block just in case.
What order block?
The first 30-minute one, just so I know when we're in it.
Oh, yeah.
Inside of that first 30-minute order block, we got 5 minutes and 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, and a 15-minute. Inside the second one, we have fair value gaps on 15 and 5. And then we have 1 minute on both.
So you're saying the second one is better?
I mean, they both could be good. It just kind of depends on what happens.
Yeah.
The first one has more order blocks, but I agree with you that going down lower would be better. Because I just feel like the first one's so close. What up, Gio? Dak short on ES. And we're looking for shorts on NQ if we can, depending on what happens. Maybe longs later in the day if these play out. God, we kind of figured out that fair value gaps work better on futures than crypto. I feel like they hold more weight in futures.
I don't feel like they hold any weight on that at all.
Yeah. I pretty much just ignored them whenever I was trading crypto.
I didn't even take the time to mark out fair value gaps in crypto.
I turned them off on my indicator.
Yeah.
Just to keep my charts
Pretty much.
clean. Let's see. Dude, honestly though, this NQ short would have been nice. I probably should have just jumped in it this morning.
You would have made a band already on it, probably.
Yeah, it was literally the first thing I saw when I woke up though. Like I just woke up, I opened my phone, and we were right there, and I'm like, "Fuck, dude, you can't even give me 2 minutes." And then I saw
There's
that
no
15-minute
there's no
zone.
waiting.
I saw the 15-minute zone above, and I really wanted to tap that. If we were tapping into that 15-minute zone, I 100% would have shorted. 100%. But I probably should have jumped, like scaled in at least like a contract or something.
You could get away with just shorting one contract on the 100K.
Yeah.
NQ is so much more expensive.
Yeah, gold's just doing the same shit.
Gold is doing gold things.
Yeah, just a bunch of fucking nothing. Just ranging there and grinding up a little bit, like you said. That's probably all it's gonna do. I mean, bro.
And it's probably going to keep doing that until it cracks down at some
Yeah.
point, which I doubt is soon.
No, I think he'd probably take the highs before you dump again, like in a major way. Bro, is NQ actually gonna give me what I want?
Oh my god, this is taking so long.
I know, dude.
Hurry up and dump already.
That's the thing about pre-New York. It's just so much waiting.
So slow. And this is pre-New York and end of London, right? Imagine Asia. Asia is so insufferable. I tried trading Asia once. It's
Dag,
nice.
God said, good thing mine and your NQ has a $170 difference. Well, one, stream delay. Two, I pay for live CME data, so yours is going to be lagging if you don't pay for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Geo, there's equal highs on ES. That's why if we dump from here, we're looking to hammer along later in the day. Like if we bounce off a 30-minute order block. That's kind of what we were talking about at the beginning.
Also, bearish SMT between NQ and ES.
Yep.
Is the thing. NQ just tapped its 2-minute order block.
There's still a 1 minute above it too. Oh no, that's ES. I'm on ES. I'm tripping. It's like I would really like. Let's just come up real quick into that. Somewhere right between here.
If you get up to that fair value gap on NQ here, it'll be a nice opportunity. And
What time frame?
if you get like a 30-second flip,
Yeah, we're attacking those equal highs right now. Going for it.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, I know. I see it.
Gio said 1 minute MSF on equal highs, and I'm going all in. Scared money don't make no money.
Imagine triple
Tapping
equal
into that
high.
1 minute order block.
Imagine triple equal highs. That would have been
Bro.
that would be insane, bro.
I wouldn't even be that surprised, bro. I wouldn't put it past him. We tapped into that 1 minute order block. Like right on the edge.
Yeah, ES also looks like it might SFP the 2 minute internal. Boom, boom, boom. 2 minute SFP.
Yeah, I see what
To
you're
the
saying.
low. Maybe.
Except you know how these futures go. You SFP and then just pump after.
Well, yeah, but not always. When they go stupid mode, that's what they do.
Yeah.
But when it's ranging time, it's ranging time. We left equal highs on the 2 minute as well, on the wick to the 1 minute order block. Are they gonna... what I'm thinking is, are they gonna induce it or are they just gonna take it and dump?
Yeah.
What would throw off more people, inducing or taking it? Because like right now we're waiting for it to be taken. But what if they just induce it and make people short lower just to rip it up later? Pre-New York is trippy, as always.
Yeah. Yeah. Pre-New York is interesting. See, I think I like NQ because it's like my dog. I've got that Shiba, and that bastard does not listen to anything, bro. He does what he wants, and it's like he's just gonna do what he wants, and you're not gonna tell him what to do. But the second that he actually does do something good, oh man, it's great. It's great. Gio said whoever's longing anything right now literally
Yeah,
sucks
okay.
dicks.
We just stopped the 1 minute order block, like for real this time.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Gave a nice reaction on the 1 minute. Its lungs are giving gay right now.
Gold's starting to dump.
Gold?
Yeah.
Oh hell no. Pump gold so ES can do. Watch gold just fucking die and ES dies with it for some reason.
But it's just like, where are the levels?
NQ is a nut job, yeah.
Bro, come on, NQ. Give
Gold
me
is even
something.
more of a nut job. I learned that the hard way.
Yeah. NQ is definitely a nut job, but that's my boo. I like him crazy. What can I say?
Fuck, you getting freaky with the indexes?
Oh fuck yeah, dude. Damn, God, that sucks, bro. That's what should
Kinda
be
wanna add
happening
the
though.
contract here. Kinda not wanna add the contract and just stay where I am. I think I'm gonna just stay for now. I don't wanna add more risk. to this since it's pre-New York.
Yeah.
I think I'm fine with the amount of risk I've put on right now. Just gonna make some quick bucks and dip. Hopefully pre-New York. If I can get my TP or at least halfway to my TP pre-New York, take it and just wait.
Yeah.
God said you got stopped out on the ES long. I mean the gold long.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the problem with that is I think people that get stopped out easily move their stop way too quickly.
Yeah. I mean, that's
So
that's
I'll
kind of the name
go
of the game.
over
If
it.
you're keeping a tight stop, you got to be right there just in case you want to re-enter.
Yeah,
If
go
you're not
over
going to give
your
it some room.
gold trade and see what went wrong when you moved your stop loss. Because I feel like most break-even trades are break-even trades because people move their stop loss to the wrong place.
Yeah. You're just going to move your stop up as like new levels for him.
Hold up, give me 1 second.
I really want this zone up here. I really wish that we could have just tapped that and just died this morning. I would have taken that. But I didn't want to take this. I felt like we could maybe kind of keep, I don't know, my idea is maybe keep the money flow coming out. Something like that. Hopefully. That is the hope.
I'm back.
Alright.
Would you look at that? A 1 minute? Okay, maybe not a 1 minute order block anymore. Fuck off. I was about to say 1 minute order block and then it just wake slightly above it, so now it's invalid.
I switched to the chart right when you said that, bro.
What? Whatever.
Everybody saw that live.
Stupid.
Would you
ES is
look
just
at that?
trolling me.
Would you
ES
look at
is
that?
trolling me.
Holy shit.
I wonder if we can figure out a way to order blocks.
A way to what?
And I wonder if there's a different way that we can read order blocks. Like, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking, okay, we have our box, and the only difference between an order block and a non-order block is if the candle closes below the previous one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I'm thinking, why only if it closes below the previous one and not like a tick above it? Like, how different is that? That's what I'm questioning right now.
Yeah. So you're saying on ES, if this like, if you like technically call this an order block?
Well, no, but I'm just thinking about the difference between the two because I know for sure there's people that read order blocks differently. So
Yeah.
I'm just opening up the possibilities of interpreting an order block differently.
Hey, there's a 1 minute order block, Dak. It's just the wrong way for you.
Stacking my digits, I get every day. She ain't gon' tell, gon' battle the plague. Calling me crazy, I get it. What you feel, I can tell that you skip it. Boosting your looks by the day, by the minute. Like I'm a runner, the more than I swear they be lying. Wondering why they be trying. The main ones that always be crying. Could wasting my time. No, I don't need a cosign. I tell you little boys that I'm fine. Let's get to the racks. Play an option quarterback, cause I'm rumbling through the sacks and bring it right back. Hating on me is a fact, getting mad now. Look where we at. Oh. You cry, but you see me work. Ooh, no time, you wanna go lurk. Love what you doing, I think it's your turn. Lord, I be thinking my life is a perm. So many issues, I gotta go learn. Prison, you niggas, I think it's a perm. Back to the past, I don't wanna think. Critics go chop it up, thinking it's me.
We might get a Model 1 distribution on the 32nd right now if we take the high here.
Yeah, I'm watching it right now. Oh shit. I got my pen on.
Yeah, I'm gonna start tweaking out if it does equal highs again.
Which I need to get up my.
NQ is moving up to the zone you wanted
I know, I'm trying
here on the internal.
to like minimize my trading screen. So that way I could do all this at the same time.
No way. More equal highs.
That's crazy.
More equal highs.
That's crazy.
That's
No,
insane.
now we have equal highs and internal equal highs. That's nice.
Yeah.
God likes your accent.
What about my accent?
He likes it. How do you feel that two dudes have hit on you for your accent this stream so far? That's two men so far.
No comment. No comment. You know what I want? I want this trade to be done quickly, and then I close my laptop and I get up, take a shower, and go to the gym.
Yeah, I would like to get in a trade in like the next 30 minutes. Like just take this high and just nuke.
Dude, if you complain about not getting a trade today, I'm gonna blast you because you've had like 30 entries.
See, but I like very specific entries though. I don't my trading volume is not as high as yours. Like you see my last 2 weeks. Like I still had $1,000 weeks, but I took like 2 trades all week.
To be fair, if you took one high quality setup per day, you'd be funded already.
Look at the chat, bro.
Every time you go and take a trade, you're at fucking work. Every time a trade appears.
Bro, just give me this.
Just give me this, and then it's
And
gonna
then-
not give.
And then
this.
it'll give me this. Fuck.
You're gonna be like, man, I didn't take it. Gotta pull the trigger, my boy.
There we go, Dak. We're pulling out all the tricks.
Oh nah. Get that fucking magnet out of the highs. I'm gonna take my hammer and smash Price down.
Oh yeah,
down to-
dude. Oh yeah, dude. You're gonna take out your hammer with all these dudes talking about you in the chat? God literally
Hey,
just
yo!
God
Fuck.
literally just commented. Dak should open a channel called Daddy Dak. And you're out here talking about using your
What?
hammer, bro.
Why do I have dudes hitting on me this morning? What the fuck?
Oh shit.
I'm hammering Price down this time.
I
You're not
deleted,
getting
I deleted the magnet, bro. Don't worry.
it.
So this is actually what I want to see, Dak. This is actually what I want to see.
Funny thing is, if you pressed short right now, you'd have a better entry than me.
Yeah, I know. But okay, so Dak, I want to hit the 15-minute order block on NQ and dump. I don't want to take the high on ES and then dump. Because if we hit that order block and dump on NQ, we won't take the high. So we go the SMT then. Shit.
Meanwhile, this 1 minute order block down Price.
Might actually get something here. Look at the chat, Dak. I'm not reading that.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Look in the futures chat. Come on, take the high.
Yes.
Take the fucking high already.
Fucking high. Tap this order block, bro.
Oh. Oh.
Equal high. It's the third time. Imagine.
Nah, no way. No way they do that again. No way. No, they're gonna take
on,
it for
come
sure.
on.
They're gonna take it.
One pip. There it is. They took it. They took it.
That's high.
All right, now give
Okay,
me
now
my
we need-
fucking zone. Give me my fucking zone on
Now we need,
NQ.
we need to see the reaction here. Waiting for 1 minute, 1 minute sweep happen. Just need to wait for the rest. 2, 3, and 5 to see where it goes. And we have an SMT with NQ.
Yes. I don't want to take the high on NQ. I just want the zone. The 15-minute
Yeah.
order block zone. Give it to me.
If we
Jeez,
sweep on
God.
the 5 on ES, that's gonna be nice. If we sweep on the 5, I'm gonna add one more. Sweeper.
Sweeper. Come on. Give me my zone.
Wait, Jet, you're already in a 15-minute order block.
What you mean?
Open your 15-minute chart
I'm on
and
it,
look
bro. On NQ?
look like 3 candles behind you.
This weak ass shit that we already tapped. I want the real one.
We're inside it. We're inside it. It's not
I want the
completely out of
real
the
shit.
question. Bro, you're you're so sus.
Where my shit at?
People coming back to watching this live are gonna be like, "What is this chat?"
I know. Come on.
Ooh.
Give me just a little bit more, NQ. Just a little bit more. That's all I'm asking for. It's not too much. I promise I'm not asking for too much.
You don't like the big, the big ones.
Jeez.
Jet doesn't like the big ones. Confirmed. God said the 15-minute zone. You're looking here on his chart. How is that possible?
How?
What?
Cannot be true.
That's cap.
Unless you got fucking future knowledge. Unless he's on like a normal NASDAQ chart, not a futures, maybe.
I don't know. Maybe.
God, are you on NQZ 2025? He's on a US 100 chart.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
I have no idea even what that is. I'm not gonna lie. That's a 1 minute order block right there. Well, please. Please.
Did you short or are you waiting for that?
I want to wait, but I also want to short.
Could go on micros and scale in
I could do that.
instead of waiting.
That's true. That is true. That's a good point. That's fair. That's fair. I can never lose. I can never lose. I'll never miss it.
If ES hangs around here at the high on the one, a nice PO, and we can take it back down to range low.
I'll never miss a trade. Come on, now that I'm short on a micro, now it'll go up. This is a genius plan. Now I'll get my zone, Dak. You're a fucking genius. Oh, that's 4D chess, baby. 4D chess, baby. The second I open one micro, we pump. Let's fucking go. Give me my zone. Even if I got stopped out on that micro trade, I'd lose nothing. Oh. You. Come on, baby. Dak, you ever seen Death Note?
Yeah.
So locked in, I'm sitting in my chair like L right now.
Swords are getting graped right now.
You know what the problem is, Dak?
What?
ES didn't really get a great reaction. It just kind of ran. I didn't see that.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't see that.
I know. I know. I'm literally watching it.
He should have said something to me. It's all right. We're in my zone. I like it. Let's see.
Probably gonna bounce off some 1 minute order block in the middle of fuck knows where.
Come on, ES. Die. Die.
We just filled the 2 minute fair value gap from way to the left.
Die.
See, I told you, we just tapped a 1 minute or we're about to tap a 1 minute order block on ES that I hadn't marked out. That is insane. There's no way. Nah, that's actually insane.
Come on. Don't fuck me up. Please.
Don't beg it. If you beg it, it's gonna do what you don't want it to do. That's how it works.
Please, please don't go down. The only problem is pre-New York volume.
Pre-New York manipulation. Bro, look at the 1 hour time frame on ES.
Do I want to?
He's just green since 5 a.m. today. He's just been green.
It's okay. If this doesn't work out, you know where we're shorting.
Yeah.
Those 1 hour zones. I don't like that there's a green dot on the 1 hour right now. I don't like that. You know, it's crazy, bro. We're literally just talking about how it's always the second zone. It's always the second zone, and here we are, shorting the first zone.
To be fair, my shot was riskier.
Yeah, I waited a little longer. And you made fun of me the whole time. And gold is dumping. Gold is dumping. Ooh, maybe a 1 minute SFP on gold deck. Might like that.
Yeah,
Might like that.
there's a good chance.
I might like that.
If gold turns here, I think ES and NQ also turn.
Just triple down in long gold. Just kidding. It's dying.
Is it though?
No, not really. I'm being dramatic. It's like Yes, it is dying. It did, well, yeah, it's dead. It's, bro, it did the SFP and then nuke. Psych. That's okay, because it just hit a fair value gap. We're just doing a whole lot of nothing right now.
Yeah.
Patience is key. I don't like that we're at the top of my zone.
NQ is flying right now.
We're at the top of my zone, so it's either we die here or somebody's gotta die. Somebody's gotta die. I would like things to turn. Especially because I gotta go soon. I mean, we swept where this order block came from. Start to let's get a little something going here, Dak.
Yeah.
Now that's a 1-minute candle I like to see.
We are respecting
Fair
the
value
1 hour
gap.
fair value gap. We have a fair value gap. It is being respected. Okay, that's the reaction we need.
Keep going.
Are you in shorts?
Yes. Yes, I am in shorts.
Because I got that shit as well.
Check hit.
We need some nice 1-minute candles top here.
Yes, yes.
No retesting allowed, just straight death.
Yes, I agree. I agree. Now, what I don't want to see is a high taken again. How's 30 second looking on NQ, Dak? I don't have it on trading
Thank
view.
you.
Yeah.
Oh shit! What the fuck just happened? There's a 30-second candle that teleported. NQ. Well, it's not looking too bad. It's retesting the fair value gap.
Yeah, I see the fair value. Yeah.
That spike we had just now was crazy. Volume might be coming in right now.
The scary part is 30 minutes till the fuckery.
Yeah.
But hopefully the fuckery is in our favor. Ideally.
I mean, we've been grinding up since Asia.
Yeah,
If it keeps going, I'd be surprised. If it doesn't at least have a small dump, I'd be surprised.
We should be able to at least get something out of this.
We're majority longs right now on
Yeah.
across the board. I can't imagine they keep pumping it for very long. Not without
I'm
taking
liking
something
this. Let's see. I want to start looking at.
God, I'm never trading gold again. Yesterday was my last trade ever on gold. I'm gonna go undefeated from that trade on gold. I'm never gonna trade it again. I refuse to take another loss on gold. That volume spike just stopped all the order blocks on the 3 and the 2.
I'm setting my TPs.
If we can form a new one here on the 2-minute, will be rough. Okay, we just formed the 2-minute one. Theoretically should be stronger than the previous one. I retested the fair value gap as well. So it's a rebalancing order block. Let's see what happens on the 2-minute. Can we get a dump on the 2-minute?
Not the prettiest entry, but you know how it goes.
I mean, you don't need the prettiest entry always.
No, all you need to do is make the money. I think I'm gonna have to start like changing my voice to compete with yours. I'm just gonna come on this bitch and just talk real low, just to compete with your voice. Yes,
you can't compete.
Yes.
You can't compete with my voice.
I have to try though, because I need to compete with that.
I have the Greek
Apex
god
size.
genetics.
Yes.
The Greek god genetics. Funnily enough, that's not even my deep voice. That's my normal voice. I can do way deeper. Pause. Bro, I know Erl is gonna fucking comment on that. Fucks. Oh my god. Ooh. Volume. What's happening?
What the fuck was that spike?
Yeah, I don't know. We have volume coming in.
I didn't like that.
It's way too early. It's way too early for volume to. 30 minutes before pre-market. That's crazy. Shit, if it goes in my favor, I don't mind the volume.
Exactly. I didn't like that spike though. I didn't like that.
No, me neither.
I didn't like that at all. It was not fun.
But it might go in our favor, so you never know. Just let it play. Yeah.
Yes, I like it.
We're gonna find out what happens here at VWAP.
We have two of these. That's actually a good idea. I should probably pull that back up.
Now we've had two of these spikes so far.
We need to lose this right here. We need to lose this. I don't like being above this.
Above VWAP, yeah, no.
Q4 and monthly. We need to die here.
Mine is at 67.31. This needs to like go now, I think.
There, all right. Come on, get under monthly.
Not yet. This isn't yet the candle.
Get under monthly.
When it happens, we'll know.
No, we need. I'm just saying to get under the VWAPs. That's what I want. If we can start closing under these VWAPs, I'll feel good.
Bro, fuck closing under the VWAPs. We just need one straight down.
That would be nice. Retesting Q4.
We need the knife down. So far, it's just fucking around here. It's not doing. These volume spikes are such a bait.
The bounce off of the monthly.
We need to lose the 3 minutes for value. It's gone at it 3 times so far. More so the 5 minute for value. That'd be nicer.
We just printed a 1 minute order block.
On NQ, I assume.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bullish.
No, there's no order blocks when you're in the opposite side. It's a clean slate. There's no 1 minute order block. You're just seeing things. No, but in all honesty, you're betting against the 1 minute order block when you're on the opposite side. So you just want it to fail. If it fails, you're good.
I would like it to fail. We just touched it. Come on. Get under monthly.
Gold is looking like it's gonna reverse up.
The worst part is, I gotta go. So I'm at the end stream.
Just keep it on your.
We'll post updates and stuff like that,
Mhm.
and we'll see how these turn out. Yeesh. So we'll thanks for joining the stream, Dak. Anything you want to say before we dip?
Nope.
Dump it.
Just dump it.
Stacking my digits, I get every day. She ain't gon' title, gon' battle the plague. Calling me crazy, I get it. What you feel like I tell that you skip it. Boosting your looks by the day, by the minute. Like I'm a runner, the more than I swear they be lying. Wondering why they be trying. The main ones that always be crying. Could wasting my time. No, I don't need a cosign. I tell you little boys that I'm fine. Let's get to the racks. Play an option quarterback, cause I'm rumbling through with the sacks and bring it right back. Hating on me is a fact, getting mad now. Look where we at. You cry, but you see me work. Ooh, no time, you wanna go lurk. Love what you doing, I think it's your turn. Lord, I be thinking my life is a perm. So many issues, I gotta go learn. Prison, you niggas, I think it's a perm. Back to the past, I don't wanna think. Critics go chop it up, thinking it's me. Look at me, gay, and she ain't gonna blink. Quarter, no telling what I pose pink. I get that green, you be playing no link. Head above water, I can't never sink. Choosing a choice, never go back. I gotta deploy. She a little nutty, like I'm enjoy. Clutching the Cali, that bitch ain't a toy. Ooh, back in the day, love a mission might not get your way. Come and get you, I'm stopping your way. Head on my word, I'ma do what I say. Niggas ain't nothing, they might get you paid. Crucial your pockets, I'm feeding you good. Go get you something, you looking too good. Gangsta little bitch, and she fresh from the hood. Stacking my digits, I get every day. She ain't gon' title, gon' battle the plague. Calling me crazy, I get it. What you feel like I tell that you skip it. Boosting your looks by the day, by the minute. Like I'm a runner, the more than I swear they be lying. Wondering why they be trying. The main ones that always be crying. Could wasting my time. No, I don't need a cosign. I tell you little boys that I'm fine. Let's get to the racks. Play an option quarterback, cause I'm rumbling through with the sacks and bring it right back. Hating on me is a fact, getting mad now. Look where we at. Hello, you. I'm running, I'm getting this money. My numbers be changing. Sudoku, believe in me telling these stories, but I'm super saiyan. No Goku, but it ain't no telling what I go through. I done paid my way, brought it into. Does it really matter? Cause it is. And why you keep bringing up all these problems? Like, what is you thinking? And don't try to play these games, little mama, cause I'ma be seeking. We can go somewhere else for sure. Just tell me now, oh no. I wanted to know. Nigga playing with fire, better yet call me a sire. You might as well go and retire like William Shire. You better not mess with chances, I'm calling you out like a liar. Not worry about stress, matter of fact, clean up your mess or I'm aiming it right to your chest. No bulletproof vest, now niggas keep hating on me. When I see them, they copy the rest, yeah. Stacking my digits, I get every day. She ain't gon' title, gon' battle the plague. Calling me crazy, I get it. What you feel like I tell that you skip it. Boosting your looks by the day, by the minute. Like I'm a runner, the more than I swear they be lying. Wondering why they be trying. The main ones that always be crying. Could wasting my time. No, I don't need a cosign. I tell you little boys that I'm fine. Let's get to the racks. Play an option quarterback,